Hi, my name's Terry and welcome to another book review. Today I'm going to review a book from the Taekwondo set of notebooks. This comes from our range of logbooks, notebooks, composition books, planners and diaries. So the book I'm going to review, as I've said, comes from the Taekwondo set of 11 notebooks. These are 11 notebooks that start with the beginner's book all the way through to the black belt first dan. They're all available on Amazon, and you should find a link down below which will take you to either the UK or the USA site. So find a link for .com or .co.uk. The book that I'm going to review now is a book designed for somebody that's just passed their yellow belt and they're moving on to their revision for their green stripe. So this is a perfect congratulations gift. You could buy this and give this to somebody that's just passed their yellow belt. And also, of course, you can buy a book depending on which belt they've just passed. You may want to purchase this book if you practice Taekwondo yourself. This is a perfect revision aid. Inside it's got the first page, which if bought as a gift can be to, and then the name, congratulations on passing your Taekwondo grading, and from. There's a welcome page that reads, congratulations, you're now on the road to your black belt, a fantastic journey as a student of the ancient art of Taekwondo, the Korean art of hand and foot. Remember, a black belt is a white belt who never gave up. Please use your Taekwondo notebook to keep all your notes and knowledge as you revise for your next grading, the yellow belt green stripe. We've made a start for you, and the next few pages will help to point you in the right direction with the basics you need to know for your next grading. Good luck. And then it lists the Taekwondo belts in order. And then below that you have the belt for the grading you've just passed with the meaning of the belt. And then, of course, the belt for your next grading. On the next page, this is all about the pattern for this grade. So this is the name of the pattern for the next grading, the amount of movements in this pattern, the meaning of the pattern, and then a floor diagram which shows the starting point and the different points as you work your way through the pattern. Obviously each book has a different pattern inside, and all the information is for that specific grade. As it is along with the terminology. This here is the terminology for somebody that's passing their or revising for their green stripe. These are all the Korean words that they will need for their grading. Also, it lists the practical for that grade. And then we move on to the final page. So remember, this is primarily a notebook. The first few pages have all the basics that you need. But of course, as it says here, the basic information here is just that. Remember, this is your notebook. Listen to your instructor and fellow students. Take note and jot down the important things you take from your lessons. Failing to prepare is preparing for failure. Then you have a revision to-do list. These are the ideal things that you need to do leading up to being fully prepared for your grading. And then that's it. That takes you on to the notebook section. There's 100 note pages, so plenty of room for notes for revision and notes for anything really. That takes you then to the back of the book, and as we turn over to the back cover. So that's the yellow belt book reviewed. I won't review all the books. This is just showing you the cover of the blue tag. And a reminder that these are all available on Amazon. Buy them individually as a gift for a friend, relative, loved one. Or of course, if you practice Taekwondo, this is a perfect revision aid for yourself. Here again, I'm just showing a close-up of the red belt book, and this is for somebody who's passed their red belt and revising for their black stripe. Well, that's it. Thank you very much for listening to this video and listening to my review. If you do want to purchase one of these books, a reminder, just click one of the links down below. Thank you very much, Goodbye.